And today video we are going to fix the connect to server issue of SQL server. So the issues is a network related or instance specific error occur while establishing a connection to SQL server. So this issue we are going to fix step by step in this video. So the solution of this error is means why this issue is occur. So first we are going to understand what is this issue and why this issue is occur. So first, these three services are provide the connection, the execute jobs, monitor SQL server, the administration task, provide the storage, control of data and report transaction processing. Provide these three services. So the first service provide the connection to the client computer. The second service provide the execute jobs. The execute job means to execute any SQL server, any SQL query, provide the fire alert issues means show the alert to the cannot change the table and so on, and also allow the automation of some administration task. And the third one is SQL server. This service is used for to provide the storage, process and control access of data, and also control the rapid transaction processing. So these three services is used for the connection, for execute job, and for providing storage, for control the rapid transaction processing, and so on. So and this slide you see here, these three are disabled. So once these three are disabled, you get this error, a network related or instance specific issue. So now change the status this disable set startup type to automatic delay start. So see here in this slide, uh, this is the service name SQL browser, which is used for the connection to provide the client computer, and this is the display name SQL server browser, and this is the description provide SQL server connection information to the client computer, and this is the startup type which is disabled. But here we are going to change this startup type to automatic delay start. Here you see these four startup type, but we are going to select the automatic delay startup. So once you select this startup type, then click on this apply button, and after the confirmation of this apply button, then click on this startup button. So the service is to be started. So now, and see here, set the SQL browser startup type to automatic delay start, and also set the SQL server agent startup type to automatic delay start, and also set the SQL server startup type to automatic delay start. So let's get start and fix the issue. So now fix the issue and error and connect to SQL server. So go to the SQL server, click on this connect option, and once you get the window of connect to SQL server, then go to the browse for more and select your server, and then click on the connect button. So once you click here, you see the error network related instance. So once the error is occur, then follow the steps this error. So once this error is occur, then press on this OK button and go to the start menu of the window and write here the services. So once you write in a startup services, you see here this is the services menu, so option. So now click on this options. So here you get the services. all the services which is running inside in the window. But here we are going to the HTML services. So now click on this name, and see this is the XW. So reorder means to show this list on descending order. So then scroll down and find the HTML services. So these are the three services: HTML server browser, HTML server agent, and HTML server. So then click one by one on these services and change the startup type to automatic delay start. So now right click here on the HTML server and go to the properties and change it to the automatic delay start and click on the apply buttons. So once it's hidden, means disable, then click on the startup buttons and wait till to run the services. So see the HTML server browser status is running, and also the startup type change to the automatic delay start, and then change one by one these two also. So now apply, then click on the start. Okay, close. Don't worry, this is set, and then right click here and property and changes to automatic delay start, apply, and then start. So and then close. So see here these two are running, but must be changed the type to automatic delay start. So when these three services are done, then close this services window and again click on this connect buttons. So once you click here, the HTML server is to be connected successfully and the issue is fixed. So in case of any issue on your system related to programming, contact to the support number which is already show in Ilyasoft software company YouTube channel and about sections. So go to the YouTube and write, and YouTube is Ilyasoft. Now write here Ilyasoft and then go to the YouTube channel. So if you have any issue related to programming, go to this channel about section and get the support team number. Wait, and also okay, so get this number and send your error snapshot on this support contact number. We will resolve your issue on your system by using Enedis software on from 24 hours to 48 hours. So and in this YouTube channel you get the complete projects and C Sharp and Python and PHP and so on. And also subscribe this YouTube channel and also click on this bell button. By using this bell button you get the updated video notifications. Thanks for watching.